Welcome back. At the Jakarta Composite Index intraday movement, earlier today, JCI was open at a level of 7,198.56. And then approaching the closing time on the first session, the index was on the level of 7,176.80. And then the index was showing strengthening trend by the second session closing time. Index was closed at the level of 7,195.49. And in short, JCI went up 0.37%. Next, we're going to see the sectoral movement leading the dynamics of today's trading. We got health as the leader of strengthening trend that went up 1.22%. Cyclic went up 0.57%. Transportation and logistics went down 1.86%. And energy went down 1.83%. Moving on to top gainers and top losers. Here are the key highlights from today's trading session. Bank Central Asia went up 2.37% to the level of 8,650 per share. BBRI went up 1.56% to the level of 4,570 per share. Telkom went up 2.04% and Astra International went up 3.26%. Meantime, the top losers for today's trading. We got Bumi went down 6.67% to the level of 168 rupiah per share. Adro went down 0.51% to the level of 3,910 rupiah per share. MDKA went down 1.18% and Goto went down 2.42%. Next, we're going to see the intraday movement of rupiah towards the US dollar. Open at the level of 14,969. Rupiah was also showing strengthening trend towards the US dollar and was closed at the level of 14,929. And in summary, rupiah went up 0.04. Gudang Garam would gradually increase the selling price of cigarettes to improve profitability. As reflected in financial statements, in the first half of 2022, Gudang Garam's net profit decreased by 53.97% year-on-year.
Cigarette issuer Gudang Garam said it will gradually increase the selling price of cigarettes to improve profitability. Director of Gudang Garam Heru Budiman said the company is aware that it is not the only cigarette producer in Indonesia. If the company raises the selling price of cigarettes while other producers do not increase the selling price of their cigarettes, then Gudang Garam cigarettes will be the most expensive. However, Heru said the company had increased the selling price of cigarettes twice in July and September. According to him, the impact of the price increase on the company's profitability is not reflected in the financial statements of the first semester of 2022. For additional information, in the first semester of 2022, Gudang Garam recorded revenue of 61.67 trillion rupiah with a net profit of 956.14 billion rupiah. This net profit decreased by 53.97% compared to the achievement in the first semester of 2021. IDX Channel report.
And the news close our market headlines today. Please enjoy our next program on IDX Channel, your trustworthy economic, business and capital market channel. I'm Keisha Tuju. Have a nice evening.